Y'all, I came to check on the ducks and the chickens for morning time, and I swear these ducks grow overnight. I mean, Lassie looks like a full-grown duck now, and Mabel was literally so tiny just yesterday. How are they already out of water? I literally filled this up yesterday afternoon. Like, how? Hello, girls. Hi, girls. What are you doing? They still aren't sure about me. Mabel. Let's go fill their water up again. And back to the chickens we go. Hi. Here's your water. The girls decided to come see them